they will send you something called an Act 91 notice. And it tells you that if you don't get caught up, usually within 30 days, that they are able to start actual foreclosure proceedings with common pleas court. Then they file the foreclosure proceeding. It will get hand delivered to you. You'll have at least 30 days total to respond. If you don't do anything, or if you're unsuccessful in fighting it, the mortgage company would get a judgment. The judgment is what allows them to set up the sheriff's sale. At that point, you don't own the home anymore. Usually what happens at sheriff's sales is that the bank actually buys the house back. They do have to actually start a different proceeding within the court. It's kind of like an eviction in order to kick you out. So yes, if you're in there after the date of the sheriff's sale, your time is likely limited, but it's not immediate. You'd have at least 30 days to get out. Yeah, there are a few ways that it can happen. First way would obviously be if you're able to come up with the money to bring the loan current. The mortgage company will be more than happy to take it from you. You can contact the mortgage company and see if you qualify for a loan modification, which would be some change in the terms of the loan in order to bring you current. Or you can look at filing for bankruptcy. We literally can file immediately before a sheriff's sale and stop it. But the earlier we get involved, the better. So when the right time is to contact us largely depends on the totality of the circumstances. So if you came to me and you didn't have any other debts but your mortgage, and you were, 15 days behind, I'm not going to file a bankruptcy for you for that. I'm going to tell you that you need to reach out to your lender and see what options they have for you. Sometimes they'll give you a forbearance where they'll move a couple of payments to the end of the loan and give you a couple of months off. So if it's a smaller issue like that, then I'm not going to look at a bankruptcy. But if you're 15 days behind on your mortgage and you have $20,000 in credit card debt, then I'm going to have you in to talk about bankruptcy because the mortgage isn't your only problem. If you just have an issue with the mortgage, normally when you get to be 3 months behind and you're actually getting some form of foreclosure proceedings going, that's when I think if you don't have any other financial issues, it's time to reach out. I normally, though, even in that instance, encourage people, and they should do this at the very beginning when they realize that there's going to be a problem, to reach out to the mortgage company and just make sure that there's not anything that they can do directly through the mortgage company to get the problem resolved.